Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a rattle out of a 2x4 and some popcorn. First, I'll cut the 2x4 into smaller pieces. Now I'll draw on the shape of the rattle with the help of this 2-inch PVC pipe. Now that I have the general shape on here, I'll cut it out with a scroll saw. Okay, now I'll draw this onto this other piece. And now I'll cut this out. I'll draw an oval on these pieces of wood and then try to remove some of the material with this burr bit that I got online. Okay, so it kind of works, but it doesn't work very well. So I'll try something else. Okay, now I'll start working on the other side. Now I carved out both of them. Now I'll try using this again. Now I'll add some popcorn. Now I'll glue them together. Next, I'll let it dry and then come back to it. Now that it's dry, I'll attempt to turn it on the lathe. So it's looking kind of rough because it's pine, so it's not going to turn very well, but I'm just trying to take it down to a rough shape. Looks okay. apply some wood filler. Now I'll come back to it once it cures. Now that it's cured, I'll sand it again. Now I'll put some oil on it. Okay, now I'll cut off this part. Okay, now it's all done. If you enjoyed watching me make this, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Now I'll glue them together.